Hello, Beau. I wanted to reach out regarding our motel. When we purchased it, we encountered a severe roof leak issue. Now we are actively seeking a loan to renovate our units and improve our ADR, our average daily rate, and occupancy levels. Unfortunately, we find ourselves in a difficult situation. We're hoping to secure an SBA loan based on our projected outcomes. Any assistance or guidance you can provide would be immensely appreciated. Best regards, Reno.
All right, so you bought a motel. You bought it. It had substantial damage. It wasn't performing. It sounds like when you bought it with some bridge financing, most likely, and now you're stuck, basically. So the question then becomes, can you do an SBA loan? And it's definitely possible. We've worked on numerous deals that are in similar situations, maybe not a motel, but other business. So what we need to do, it's basically going to be a projection-based loan. So you only have a couple of your units or your keys in operation. So you're running losses. You need the financing to rehabilitate the property to get it running. So we would do 3 years of projections. We need your financials. Most lenders on deals like this is kind of like they're like a saving grace loan, I would call them. And so a lot of lenders will say, okay, during construction and everything, do we have the ability to debt service this with outside income? So assuming maybe you have a W-2 job or your spouse is working, that gives the lender a lot more compensating factors than if you didn't have any other. This was your only source of income, and if it doesn't work, you're not going to be able to make payments. Now, the guidelines for SBA would allow for this to work, no problem. But remember, banks use something called prudent lending. So they have to underwrite with prudent lending. So just because the SBA SOP says something doesn't mean that the banks underwrite, because at the end of the day, they're accountable for these loans no matter what, even though there's a guarantee. So it is doable. It's going to take a little bit more work. What got us into this problem? If you're doing construction, who's the contractor, line item budget, they have to be insured. We have to get all that figured out before we can get loan approval. We can get a pre-approval and a term sheet, but we're not going to get a loan commitment. But yes, we've done deals like this. We're doing deals similar to this. I believe we can help you out. So go to bookwithbeau.com and we can discuss it in detail.
Hi, if you'd like to book a call with me and discuss SBA financing, whether it's a 7A or 504, or you just don't know where to start, maybe it's a startup business, you're buying an existing business, you're buying a franchise, you're building a new office building, you want to expand your existing business, we have multiple solutions. I can walk you through the 7A and the 504 and the SBA loan process. And if you have any other questions on any other types of financing, I'm happy to book a call with you. The link's below. Look forward to seeing you soon. Hey guys, Beau Eckstein here. If you enjoyed what you saw, please subscribe to this channel. We talk all things financing. I've been in the lending industry for over 20 years, and I'm happy to answer your questions and provide great content.